welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is video number 2 of our gorgeous soft silk sarees. So this set of soft silks that we are showing today, these are handloom silk sarees in beautiful colors. All these sarees are without borders. So one of them maybe might have border design on one side, but most of them are without borders. This is the first one, a beautiful peach pink color. It's a cross shading of orange and pink. A very subtle color. It has silver zari butta, koiri butta, but a very delicate one, not very big. This is the sari. Just look at this. And this is the lovely pallu. The pallu is also in silver zari, but the silver tone of zari is very subtle. It's not too striking or too in the eyes in comparison with the body color. It goes very well with the body color. So this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, the price of this is 10,000 plus GST. The next one is a nice bright parrot green, exactly same design. This one also has delicate koiri butta, paisley butta in silver color zari. Okay, beautiful saree. We didn't have this color in a long time. We didn't get this color in the last collection. We had a lime green. It was a yellowish lime green, but it was not a parrot green. Now just look at this. That silver zari stands out so beautifully with the body color. A very pretty one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price is 10,000 plus GST. Let's move to the next one. The next is again a stunning one. Royal blue. This might look a little more bright in the camera. It's actually a deeper shade of royal blue. A very beautiful one. Which price then? I'll just check price. Yes, the price is 10,000. Very intricate butta. I'm just going to show you the butta. Just look at this. Very intricate butta. Beautiful workmanship. It's a deeper royal blue. It's not a bright electric royal blue. It's a very beautiful color. This is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one is 10,000. Let's move to the next one. Again, goldenish brown color. Beautiful saree. Very elaborate butta. Slightly bigger in size. However, the color of the zari is so subtle that even if the butta is slightly bigger, it looks very sober and very subtle. Yeah. So this is how it looks. This is the gorgeous pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one is 10,200. The next one is a lime green. This is definitely not parrot green. This is lime green. When we go from green lemon to yellow lemon, this color is somewhere exactly in between. So that's the reason we call it lime green. A very beautiful color. It has this nice temple butta in it. I'm just going to come close and show you the temple butta. Temple butta in golden and silver zari alternate. Okay, I'm just going to show you something. You might get these kind of irregularities on the on the saree, somewhere on the buttas. However, it is these kind of irregularities. It is a handloom saree, so these kind of irregularities are common. You might see some threads running here and there. Do not worry, they are not defects. Such irregularities just prove that they are handloom sarees. So yes, this is the lovely pallu. Very pretty color. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This butta is something very new. We did not have this earlier. A very beautiful one. Price. Yeah. The price of the next saree, I'm just going to check before I start showing you. This is an orange color, beautiful orange, rust orange color, and it has a very nice closely placed butta, delicate butta, however small and closely placed all over the saree, very graceful. And just look at this. This orange also has a slight tinge of pink in it, however it's not peach pink, it is orange. Beautiful color. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, the price of this one is 10,500 plus GST. The next is a very pretty Rama. It's not even Rama green, it's somewhere in between green and blue. A very beautiful shade. This one, however, a very pretty one. And just look at the butta of this saree. It is a magnificent motif. This one, very beautiful motif, beautifully placed on the saree. This is the beautiful saree. Again, the butta and the pallu is in golden and silver zari. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one is 10,200. Now the next saree. This is a very interesting color. It's a blue, greyish blue kind of a color. Greyish aqua blue color. Very beautiful. Very subtle. The butta, I'm just going to come close and show you on the butta. This one. Beautiful, intricate design of butta. Very pretty saree, and the price of this one is 10,000. Subtle, sober, pastel. That's how I would describe this color. This is the stunning pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Now, the last saree of this video, the last saree in our collection. A very interesting shade of green. I would call this a chutney green. I don't know. That's what we call this shade of green. It's a mehendi powder green or a chutney green color. A very beautiful one. And just look at this delicate butta. Very delicate. It's not a very bold shape of butta. Beautiful saree. Okay, and this is the lovely pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our collection. The price yeah, 10,000. So this was our collection. I hope you all are enjoying watching our videos. If you want to place your orders, take a screenshot, send it to us on WhatsApp. Be ready to make payments, because if you like a particular saree, make your payment right away and lock your order. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed watching all the videos today. We showed you very beautiful Bahar Chumki sarees and now these beautiful soft silks. I'm coming up with newer and newer sarees, beautiful collections coming up. Stay tuned and keep watching our videos. Thank you.